So continue, number 18, sorry, number 18. When may the merciful one save us from such a situation, when the many mourners present, then to prevent quarrels and arguments over the precedence in reciting Kaddish, it is the custom of many communities that 2 or 3 mourners recite Kaddish in unison. So that's so we actually today everywhere that I went to, at least, they actually follow this halacha, right? So sometime like when I went to Mincha Marish today, I think like it was six people or 7 people were saying Kaddish at the same time, maybe 7, right? I mean, nobody wants like why should divide and stuff like that. And plus the one who may make decision, this Rabbi, is going to be his enemy, right? Enemy number 1, but he's going to tell somebody just keep quiet. So I think it's resolution, good resolution. Let them say in unison.